ported intake from G's Porting Performance. I'll have his link on his Instagram account below.
These nuts.
This is going into this truck right now.
You ready?
Our intake bolts are off.
You gotta take it.
Fuel line's disconnected.
Everything's disconnected. Boy.
Alright, we're gonna leave the injectors on.
Yeah, we're gonna switch them after.
Let me help you. We're swapping the intake manifold
Radiators cut
with the ported intake manifold and replacing this stock throttle body. That's going back to Greg Byrne because he sent me this so I can get mine sent out to Fastman. Thank you, Greg.
You ran out of breath saying that. Oh, take it, bro.
Mr. Roje is removing all the stuff that's on my intake and putting it on the ported intake. Let's get the 84mm Fastman throttle body. Yeah, a little bit of that. We're gonna do this in the same video because it's just so simple. Look at the difference. Stock, Fastman, stock, Fastman, Fastman, stock, stock, Fastman, Fastman, stock. Removing the fuel rails, and we're gonna remove the injectors and swap them over.
Right, the injectors come out with.
What are we doing? Can you explain to me what we're doing, Mark?
We're pulling the injectors out with the rail, and we're gonna put them right back.
Stock throttle body coming off. Look at all the meat in there. It's a little over, about a 1/4 inch of meat. This is ported at 86mm, about a 1/16 lip there. It's nice. Let's grab the Fastman throttle body. This is going on here with a new gasket. I'm using, my truck's brand new, so I'm using that gasket to go here. 84mm, baby. You're a diva.
Oh, no.
Did you flip it?
No, I'm leaving
You just cut it, didn't you?
Oh, my
Leaking it now.
God.
Jay's gonna be like, why is you got a boost leak? You got an intake leak.
A boost leak.
Oh yeah, I got an intake
You haven't
leak
been running.
Roje knifed it.
You haven't been running boost in like how long?
I haven't had boost in 7 months.
Right.
No. Grab the Fastman.
Shoot.
You gotta be a tank your whole life, don't you? I'm sure everyone knows, but you don't want to use a tool on these. You do these by hand. Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. These strip by looking at them.
I know.
You can almost do them by hand. They strip very fast. Smoke that diesel.
You won't even be able to see me with all the fucking.
Dude, I gotta put an
black
intake
smoke.
now. I'll smoke your diesel ram. Fact. ATI pulley, Fastman throttle body, ported intake, manifold. Alright, 84mm Fastman throttle body is on the ported intake. Removing the active intake module. Mark's removing the gasket for it. These are active intakes, pretty
These
cool.
are very active.
It turns, opens up intake. It's awesome. These are good intakes.
Because I like to disagree with everything you say.
I have God in my life and you're cussing.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let that resonate.
Let me know when something fast is. Alright, active intake module is on.
It's not a module, it's
motor.
a motor, yes.
Module can be a motor. Look
Well,
it up. Google it. Wikipedia.
A module
Wikipedia.
controls something, buddy.
It does. It controls the runners.
Yes.
Oh, what? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Putting the intake rudder gaskets on.
I want to lift it up one more time and check the gaskets.
All right.
Yeah,
Dude, look at this. Look at this. This needs a Cialis. What'd you do to my hose?
Why, you take
It's
Cialis,
turned off.
bro?
It needs Viagra, Cialis. Dude, you done yet? I need to go down to Texas and raise friggin' Jason's diarrhea and Kyle Tingle.
Mingle.
I'm gonna go by Jay Green's house and blow his truck away now. I have a ported intake manifold, Fastman throttle body, and a underdrive pulley. Race truck. Hashtag race truck. Smoke all you dudes from Texas. I'm totally kidding.
Texas ain't got shit on Massachusetts.
Yeah,
Wait
the
till-
air down there is nice and thin, isn't it?
Wait till next week after my diesel's done. None of those little single cabs will be touching it.
Map sensor is plugged in. Roji! Look at this kid. What's wrong with you?
Huh?
You pointing your ass to the sky like a weirdo.
Oh, sucking.
See what I gotta deal with? Have I ever told you how good of a job you're doing? So proud of you, man.
Thanks, man.
Back together, intakes on, leg maker intakes on. EFE, oilless drop-in intake, lower diesel box cone. Again, anybody that doesn't know, there's actually a channel in here that Collier goes in, into your panel, into the cone, into the box, up and over, boom. I'll be taking that filter out when I go to the track. Helps a little bit. Alright, we good?
Good.
That's it?
Start it up.
Beautiful. Like it never happened. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright guys, there you have it. Ported intake manifolds on, 84mm throttle bodies on.
ATI lower.
Thank you to Mark Roji at Village Garage down here at Master Mills at the Cape, baby.
Take me all the time. Come to Village Garage. We'll make all your mods come true.
Alright guys, till next time, stay tuned. Peace!